Making sense of possessive pronouns and apostrophes. Hello, language learners. Today, we're delving into a very important topic in English grammar, one that often causes some confusion: possessive pronouns and apostrophes. This is a vital part of mastering the English language, especially when it comes to writing. Before we jump into apostrophes, let's first grasp what possessive pronouns are. These are words that show ownership or possession, like my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. They answer the question of whom something belongs to. For example, in the sentence, "This is my book," my is the possessive pronoun indicating that the book belongs to me. Now let's talk about apostrophes. The apostrophe is often used to show possession in English. It helps indicate that one thing belongs to something or someone else. For instance, John's book means the book belongs to John. Here, the apostrophe is used with an S after John to show possession. A common source of confusion arises when trying to combine possessive pronouns with apostrophes. Here's the golden rule: possessive pronouns never require an apostrophe. That's because they already indicate possession, so there's no need for an extra signal. For example, we write, "The book is hers," not, "The book is hers." Similarly, we write, "This is ours," not, "This is ours." A particular exception that requires careful attention is the distinction between its and its. Even though its has an apostrophe, it is not possessive. Its is a contraction of it is or it has. On the other hand, its is a possessive pronoun, indicating that something belongs to it. For instance, "The cat licked its paws" is correct, but "the cat licked its paws" is not. That wraps up our discussion on possessive pronouns and apostrophes. Remember, while apostrophes are used to show possession, possessive pronouns inherently express ownership and therefore don't require apostrophes. With regular practice, I'm confident that you will master this aspect of English grammar. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.